Today 19 days of December 2022. Sit at home in Aba. It's 100%. You can see the market is shut down. Everywhere is shut down. So the sit at home is tight. This global news will reporting. It is very certain that we kept sit at home. Thank you, Mochineke. But do not forget that Amufu is being here. We are in morning time. No less than 100 people, 100 houses have been burned down by terrorists. 100 houses have been burned down, and 50 men, women, and child and women have been mowed down by foreign herdsmen backed by Nigerian military. It's so sad. It's so sad. We're morning time. What happened to one happened to all. If we don't control this thing might swallow all of us. That is very certain. We're calling every Biafran to agog to broadcast, and we're giving those that sold Nnamdi Kanu and those that don't want Simon Ekpa to speak out, to come and speak before today noon. And after that, if they didn't speak, Samuel Ekpa is coming agog on radio and television. Yes, to hear the new dimension of what is going to happen, because we can't take it. If you're quiet, they will all swallow us. Umuchi, this is global news reporting from mid market, midst of the market, Aba, Abia State. Ndeo, Biafra, it's time to wake up. Ndeo, Umuchi.